National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Harford County in northern Maryland, northern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 9:30 p.m. At 9:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected over northern Baltimore County, or 13 miles north of Cockeysville, and was moving south at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Hereford, Moncton, Glencoe, Sparks, Jacksonville, Phoenix. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, report severe weather to local law enforcement or to the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm